Royal Jordanian Air Force, fighter jet, special mission jet, helicopters, trainer jet, and UAV. Fighter jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Role, Multirole fighter, in service, 58. Air Tractor at 802, Role, light attack, in service, 6. Special mission jets. Cessna 208, Caravan, Role, reconnaissance, in service, 8. Air Tractor, AT-802, Role, reconnaissance, in service, 4. Helicopters. Bell AH-1, Cobra, Role, attack helicopter, in service, 24. Eurocopter, EC635, Role, attack helicopter, in service, 6. Helicopters, MD-500, Role, attack helicopter, in service, 6. Eurocopter, AS-332 Super Puma, Role, utility helicopter, in service, 10. MIL, Mi-26, Role, utility helicopter, in service, 4. AgustaWestland AW139, Role, utility helicopter, in service, 3. Sikorsky UH-60, Role, search and rescue, in service, 36. Trainer jets. Pilatus PC-21 Role, advanced trainer, in service, 12. Grob G 120 TP Role, basic trainer, in service, 15. Robinson R44 Role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 12. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Rainbow CH-4 Role, UCAV, in service, 6. Camcopter S-100 Role, UAV, in service, 10. On orders. Boeing AH-6 Role, attack helicopter, on order, 24. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.